Hey guys, welcome back to another Plushie pile of wolves. Yeah, all we need is the green, I think. Sorry, I'm addicted to doing it. Like really fast, really quiet, and really bad. Yeah, we're just missing the green. Okay, come on, AJ. What if we like got it the very first time, and then come on, green plushie, green plushie. I'm gonna make that happen. If we get a green plushie, that would have been awesome. Okay, if I get green plushie in this episode, I will throw a party on Angel. Okay? Okay. So, I'm using my arrow keys because I'm tired and I'm lazy. I'm gonna try to keep a positive attitude this time though. Because last time I was all like, why is it Amazon working? Oh my gosh, it's not working. But, yeah, oops. Miss me by my side. Okay. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. It's got me in the shower. Listen, goes to me. And I'm moving to my river. Let him go. Let him go. You must be letting him go. I'm going to sleep with a taco. You're gonna miss me when I'm wrong. You know that part where it's like, you're gonna miss me by my talk. And that says, oh, like, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh. Like, they didn't mean to make it sound like taco. It's just said, miss me by my taco. So every time I say that, I say taco. Because that's my name. Like, people, do you understand that it's my name? Taco. Taco. Family. Family. Green, green. Oh my gosh, please, green. Oh my gosh, like, it's really hard to get the green now. Like, I gotta go sell another thing that I don't want to sell. I guess I could just sell both of these. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We just need one more because we have 5 right now, not including the like special one. Oops. Green, green, green. Can't click it. Okay. Let's see. Of course. Let's see if this is open. Okay. This is the recent video. No, it's not. I still have to upload the other Plushie palette video. Oh my gosh. Did that upload? Sorry, I'm doing this on a Plushie palette video. Yes, it uploaded. Oh dang, that's my mark. How much gems do I got? 34. Why am I singing Justin Bieber? Okay, now look. Stay calm. It's okay. I want like an actual Animal Jam stuffed animal, not the like you guys can't see it, I'm holding it in my hand. Not like the ones that can fold up into like a ball, but I want like an actual Animal Jam plushie. Like they need to make those. Do they? They probably do if I look on Amazon. But they're not sellable. Maybe it was when I took like a 4-month break from Animal Jam. Think that you're the one for me, guess it's just a second for love. But tell me sweet truth that I know you. Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh shit. I'm actually gonna clip this up. I don't want to waste time like I did last time. Okay, I'm back. I recycled some stuffed animals. That's actually pretty easy. Like, once we're getting duplicates and then we run out of gems, and then I can just go recycle the rest of the ones that I just, ow, my head, that I just got. Gotta crack those fingers. Need to watch some Long Dark. I want to do this Long Dark series so bad, but I'm such a scaredy cat. Because I just can't do it. There's balls and there's bad things, and that's not a green plushie. But yeah. If I do that, then I'll have to make a new channel trailer too. Which I actually recently just made, so go watch it if you haven't. I made it today, 11/23/14. But by the time you're watching this, it will probably be either way later, or tomorrow, or the next day, or the next day. Oh, guys, I'm gonna do a huge party on Thanksgiving, and I need all of you to be there. Please. I think Angel's coming. Lucy might be coming. Like her mom will let her. Emma's coming. Shuttle's kick. I think Emma's coming. Okay. Yeah, hopefully everybody's coming. Now I'm good. And Angel has to come. Like, she's one of my favorite jammers. Hopefully Little Gazelle will come. If Little Gazelle was at my party, that would be awesome. But I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We're probably gonna have like a big trading party. Green, green, come on, green, green. What if I just didn't talk until we got a green? What's the potato chips? Well, I'm not gonna look. Guys, tell me what it is. Why does Animal Jam hate me? Animal Jam, do you love me? Does Animal Jam really love me, or do they still hate me from when? Wait, and nothing ever bad has happened to me on the Animal Jam. From when I didn't go on Animal Jam for 4 months. Yep, that's probably okay. Did you see how I answered that? Okay. Okay, I just still need some stuff. Ayanya. Come on, green plushie. I guess when I said this kind of at the beginning, if I finish it in this episode, I would throw a party, but I'm already throwing a party, so I might throw another party. Oh my gosh, my Thanksgiving party is gonna be my first party on Animal Jam. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Spikes? I'm just kidding. I'm a bad trader. I can't do spikes because I'm a bad trader and I do not have enough rares yet. I actually got one of my spikes for just a globe and a rare orb. I think that's fair. I'm pretty sure it was fair because they were quitting and they at least wanted a beta or something. So I was like, fine. Okay, don't look, guys. Finally. Oh my gosh, yes. Like, I looked in the reflection and I was like, oh, it's probably like one of those special ones that's like black and white because it kind of looks black and white and the reflection. And then I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, yes. Okay, discard. I'm just kidding. What if I actually did that? Finally, we have all of the plushies. So I'm gonna put them all across here. I'm probably gonna sell them, all of them, at some point. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. That's how the rainbow is. Even though it doesn't have either brown or black. It does now. Okay, so we don't have a red. Wait, do they have a red? Shut up, they have red. If they have red, what? Do they have reds? No? Then why does it? Okay, so these are all orange, but this one is definitely red. Definitely red. They don't have the original one of those. Like, they don't have an original one, like those colors. They just have the blue one. Red, orange, yellow, green. My butt is in your face. Just kidding, it's the tail. Oh my gosh. Ooh, the special ones go down here. And this is all from our plushie pile-ups. Wait, which one is this one? Now they're all like squished up. Okay. Boom. Booyah. Where did that one go? What? What's going on? So many things are happening. I haven't even uploaded episode 1. Okay. There, now I remember the time when we did our plushie pile of wolves. Signature cup of coffee. I call it coffee even though it's hot cocoa. Even though I like hot cocoa better. Okay. Why do I do these things? What? How did that? I do not know. I do not know. So, why am I uploading it already? Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Freestyle!